YouTubers, got this is a blower here. It's mine. I fixed it years ago. I don't use it anymore, so I'm gonna sell it. And I just I noticed the primer bulb is starting to get cracked. It's not there yet, so I don't want to sell that on to somebody that way. So what I have here is, this is another primer bulb. I had actually pulled this out of a Husqvarna blower that I was working on. This was the old one, and it's still good. I just put the new one in that came with the other kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in, because the other one that's in there is cracked. This is a little bit smaller, but I think it should still work. So to get to it, we've got 4 bolts. 2 of them are 3 of them are Phillips head, and the one is a Torx. And you take out, and then this plastic will come off. Just goes like that. There's the 3 Phillips are here, and then there's a Torx down there. You may have to take the gas cap off to get to it. Take it off. Now, hang on. We take this and we just simply peel off the fuel lines and then stick them on this one. The same orientation, preferably. So these have been on for quite a while. See, oh, no, the other one came off right away. Hopefully that's not a, and that one came off too. So the long one goes on that hole, and the other one goes in the other one. It's quite simple. I need to get some needle spots. So got it on. Be careful not to tear it, and just put this all back together. Pretty simple. I just hope this primer bulb is the right size, because I don't have another one that's kind of the same kind of thing. So so that would go we'll work it out. It fits in there okay. Put the 4 screws in, and that'll be it. Later. This works much better now. So that's how you replace a primer bulb on one of these. I don't know the part number, because this came off of like I said, off of another blower I had that I was working on.